to our friends all around the world. Today we are going to talk about one of the most beautiful cities in Iran, Shiraz. In the Persian calendar, Ordibehesh 15th or May 5th marks as Shirazday. In Iran, Shiraz is famous as the city of gardens, flowers, and nightingales, the city of poems and roses, and the city of warm-hearted and hospitable people. On May 5th, when it's exactly mid-spring in Iran, this city is at the peak of its beauty, full of the scent of orange blossom and roses. The combination of this atmosphere with poetry and literature attracts a lot of people to this region every year. As you know, the tomb of Hafiz and Sa'di, two of the most prominent Persian poets, is situated in Shiraz, in the middle of beautiful gardens, and it creates a pleasant atmosphere itself. On the other hand, the existence of numerous historical monuments from different eras like ancient Persia, Islamic era, and contemporary era has added to the charm of this city. In addition, the presence of beautiful Persian gardens such as Eram Garden, Jahan Nama Garden, Afifabad Garden, and etc. has made this city a unique beauty. But the best characteristic of Shiraz is its warm-hearted, hospitable people. Their most important moral character is being compassionate and kind, which is obvious through their faces. The other very good characteristic of Shirazi people is being happy and having fun, despite the life's difficulty. At the end, we invite you to visit this marvelous city, especially in May. Please subscribe our page and follow us. We are going to share amazing videos about Persia, its history, its people, and its traditions. Thanks a lot for being with us.